live? We still going? Okay, we're good. Alright, so let's open this bad boy up. Let me get my knife.
The slime lab?
Yeah, this is where it gets real.
I still bet mine's better than the official slime lab slime.
We gotta take some of this to Peyton at work. We promised her.
She didn't have mine.
No, you gotta keep that for forever. Alright. Let's see. Directions. How-to instructions on YouTube. Nah, man, you got this channel. Don't go changing it. Just to try to please me. 3, 2.
Yeah. Those other YouTubers, they don't love you like we do.
Alright, lay out the tools and ingredients. Level work surface, chemicals and dye may stain surface. Best results, we work quickly with warm water. Does not be cool.
This one's already leaking, dude.
Oh, that's not good. Okay,
Toxic green, I don't like the sound of that.
Alright, so I need to measure 100 milliliters of warm water. Pour into the mixing storage container. That's one of these, right? Open that up, please. Add 1 tube of slime booster. Mix for 15 seconds and
how many
mix
mouthfuls?
well. One mouthful.
Oh, okay. Sounds like they're doing it right.
Leave, stick, and stir in the mixture storage container for later use. You can start adding any combination of glitters, colors, dyes, glow-in-the-dark powder. Stir well, breaking the lumps that may form. Leave the stir for cleanup with 25 milliliters of warm water with a spoon. Next, pour the solution of warm water. This is why I should have got the microwave down out. Okay, I'm gonna go get the warm water. And you guys can choose which ones we want to use.
I'm good.
I need to take the direction of this thing.
There's a beautiful purple in here.
You need to glow in the dark purple?
Is it glow in the dark? Oh, I can't even open the bag. My fingers are too slippery. Galaxy purple. I love it. Dude, there's green shit everywhere. This green is leaking. Get it out. We bought a oh my god, it's empty. We bought a defective slime kit.
We gotta sue.
We should sue. Slime booster. Slime booster my ass. We don't need boosters. Boosters get banned from the lobby. Oh look, there's a little spoom in here. Very nice one. Little spoon. Glow in the dark powder. Zinc sulfide. Do not ingest. I think zinc sulfide sounds good eating. It actually sounds very dangerous. Ooh, we got little measuring cups. Man, this kit is full of things that aren't really even necessary. Slime activator. Sodium tetraborate. That just looks like salt to me. Got some popsicle sticks. I bet if I eat this glow-in-the-dark powder, my stomach will start lighting up, you know?
Probably.
That's probably why they say do not ingest. Has nothing to do with safety. This is what the government's hiding from you. You can get superpowers from zinc sulfide. Ingest it. Don't listen to them. You know what? I bet a little kid's gonna watch this video and think you should really eat all this shit that we're saying they should eat.
Disclaimer, Jelix Spawn and all its appropriated companies are not responsible for any injury or death resulting from ingestion of zinc sulfide.
Look at the little spoon that came with it.
That's adorable.
Don't worry, I got a disclaimer out of the way for you.
Yeah, we did a little disclaimer while you were gone.
I told you guys not to talk about that. First step.
Slime booster, right?
100 milliliters into a measuring cup, blah, blah, blah. Add 1 tube of slime booster.
How the fuck? How do you open it?
Here's a knife.
Just stab it?
There you go. Did it work? Oh! Dad! Man, I've never seen a shot like that before.
Did that get in my hair? No, I'm good. Oh my god! We got that on vid. That's gonna be great. It went everywhere. I'm sorry, Dan. That's horrible.
Okay, man. Is that all the slime booster?
No, we got 2 tubes of it.
Okay,
Oh, 3 tubes of it.
Measuring tube.
So just put the whole damn thing in there?
Yeah, I guess so.
Or even as a slime booster. For all we know, it's eating a hole through the floor.
That's okay.
It is safe and non-toxic, but you should not ingest it.
Okay.
Avoid eye contact. It may irritate your eyes.
It might irritate my floor and ceiling.
Yeah.
Slime
The
booster.
slime booster just busted a nut all over your ceiling.
It's okay. Use the stir for 15 seconds and mix well.
Just that stuff?
Yeah.
That's it?
We'll start hearing it.
Get the spoon.
The little spoon?
Mm-hmm.
At some point.
Oh, so that's how you take the cap off.
How is it?
You just pinch it and pull it up.
Oh, so you don't squeeze it until it busts?
No, no. I'm sorry.
Lesson learned.
Okay.
Now what?
Then 3. Start adding any combination of glitter, dye, glow in the dark powder.
Where'd the purple go? Oh, galaxy purple. And then the glow in the dark powder, because we don't need glitter. Fuck glitter.
I know we already used glitter for these ones.
But yeah, the green like literally is almost gone because it leaked all over the bag.
That's okay. Oh, that looks nice. Stir well, break up any lumps. What happened?
The little milk ring came off and it fell inside.
That's okay, we'll find it later. Anyways.
We'll find it in our slime when it's done. Ooh.
The
Super
glow
power
in the
powder.
dark.
Oh, there's slime booster all over it.
Oh god. Your recipe!
My brand!
Is that the glow in the dark powder?
Yeah.
What was that fell? Oh, you threw the hammer.
Call me a hammer, bro.
Call him Thor.
And then the small one, it says, add a spoonful of slime activator into the small measuring cup.
Slime activator right
Yeah.
here. Like
Yeah.
the little spoon?
Yeah.
That spoonful?
Yeah, I got a little bit too much in there, so we're gonna do that.
Oh, you already have that's not the slime activator. This is the slime activator.
No, that's just the water. I needed
Oh.
25 milliliters of warm water. Add a spoonful of slime activator into the measuring cup and fill with warm water. Stir the spoon activator until it's fully dissolved.
Okay. Add that to the water this one?
Yeah, and then stir it till it's dissolved. Be careful. Yeah, don't let it fall out everywhere.
Oh, it's hot. That's hot water.
Yeah, it's supposed to be.
Oops.
Next, after it's fully dissolved, pour the solution into the warm water of the slime booster and quickly stir for 30 seconds.
What solution?
This solution. So you mix them together. And then stir for 30 seconds quickly. Okay. Speed this up, Jelix, I guess.
If it turns out well.
Well, she's
Here,
getting it
your
regardless.
turn.
Alright, my
I
turn?
don't like it anymore.
Okay.
It's gross. It's ugly.
Stop talking about my baby. I might have too much water, but that's okay.
Yeah, I think you did.
Is too much water ever really a problem, though? I gotta say, though, I think your recipe is still the best.
It is. It is. And I got nothing on my shirt. Now that is impressive.
That is really impressive, actually.
There's a perfectly straight line of just slime booster. Why are you pouring it back in there?
No, I'm just getting rid of some of the excess water. I don't think we did this right.
Damn it, Dan.
No.
You had instructions. And you
I know.
Still fucked it up.
I know. I'm a failure. My dad was right.
He has 2 hats on.
Oh, I forgot about that. Hey,
2 hats.
that's how you know it's real.
Living this life.
See, look, that's turning out pretty good, see?
Is that how it's supposed to look?
I'm assuming so.
Mine just looks like moon sand. Like wet moon sand.
Yep, that's good. That's the slime right there. You like it? You like it? You like it? Now, here's the real thing. Does it go in the dark, actually?
Turn the lights out. All of them.
Okay. Well, that's impossible because there's like natural light coming in.
Damn it.
Yeah. Is it glowing in the dark? Yeah. I don't care. It came out somewhat. We'll give this to Peyton. Congratulations.
She's probably gonna be disappointed, dude.
No, man, that looks pretty good, actually.
I don't think that's what it's supposed to look like, dude.
You know, you don't know anything about anything, so you can just hop right off your high horse, sir. we're going to lock it down here. Subscribe to become a key today to unlock future content, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye, friends. It's a pretty good video, I must say.
Dude.
I mean, $32 later. This slime is everywhere, man. This is just horrific.
Oh, I almost fell. That would have been bad.
That's okay. I've already fallen. I've already fallen for you, so you know.
That's gay.
It's okay.
Hit you with the anti-gay hammer.